Good afternoon, friends. In the morning session, I have shared my opinion pertaining to the index movement, especially NiftyBank and its behavior, how it will perform and behave. That has been shown to you all in the morning session. Please watch my previous video absolutely. I have just given the emphasis that whenever the index or stock comes nearer to the support, it bounce back. And the intensity of bounce back is the frequency at how many times it has approached that particular support. Suppose, suppose it is coming first time, then obviously the bounce back will be strong. Whereas in case of second, when it is coming second time, in that case, bounce back will be strong, but may face resistance at the level where the previous high was made by the index. And similarly, if the third time the testing is done, if rejected, then it will again bounce back and may make lower high. In this manner, in the same manner, the support will be tested and lastly it will be taken away. This is the concept of support. So friends, at this stage, I am just asking you to open the chart of that 50 and I am also sharing the chart of 1050 for your reference. What had happened we will analyze right now in case of banking. As conveyed you all that when the index will approach towards the support, it may bounce back. That was my view, and that has been shared to you with the logic, with some logic behind it. So, as you are just seeing that as and when the bank nifty approaches towards the support, it has bounced back. Okay, friends. Now the situation is interest rate is in the worst to cross the inducing. The condition of interest rate inducing crossover is below the cloud, whereas Chicago span is below the price and below the cloud, and it is approaching towards the price. Because the interest rate is approaching towards the price, and here price I mean to say the value of index, and the current value of index or current price just given there for identification. The bank nifty is approaching towards the band is the lower cloud. Okay. Span B is flat and span A is moving upward. This is the present condition on the 15-minute chart. So friends, I will request you to draw a line here, span A, span B, even here, span B, span B will take. So this may be the resistance, first resistance where the index is going to face. This is the first resistance as per the 15-minute chart. Because first of all, two reasons are there. Just note down the reason, my dear friends. First reason that the stock is approaching towards the cloud, lower cloud, and though the width of the cloud is very narrow, so it may be taken at this stage. Okay, that is another part. But presently, the index is approaching towards the cloud. Secondly, the important factor is Chicago span is near to the price. And because it is near to the price, from here it may be thrown away from the price. Means what will happen? Whenever the Chicago span will reach the price, it will face some resistance and some retracement will be seen. In that case, what will happen when Chicago span will move downward, see from here to here, naturally the price, corresponding price, will also move down. Okay, friends? This is the condition. So, the logic is quite clear that retracement is due at around 44,600. This is the level which we have just identified according to the 15-minute chart. Now, if this is the logic behind it, then thirdly, the important factor is whatever is the condition stock approaches towards this particular resistance level, then also the span B will not cross the span A from below to above. This cloud formation will not be there. So bearishness still persists in this scenario also. Okay, friends. When bearishness persists, then obviously the stock will come down or the index value will come down as per 15-minute chart. Now we are just analyzing the thing on the basis of 1 hour chart. I'm opening the chart of 1 hour. What we are just visualizing. This is the value of 15-minute chart, my dear friend, the resistance value. It is just above the intensity. Single sale, sorry. 1 hour single sale. And this is 1 hour intensity. Now, friends, what we are observing here. First, we will analyze the position of checkout span. Checkout span is just below the price and it is confirming that the bearish trade is persisting here. First of all, as the stock has approached towards the support, it has bounced back and crossed intensive and intensive, but this is the level of span B from span B in the 15 minutes chart. The same resistance has been faced by the index, and from here it has reduced where it is like. Okay. In 1 hour chart, the span B and span A is width of the cloud is B, quite deep here. Span B is quite flat and span A is tilting downward. So friends, bullish sentiment is still continuing, and in this scenario, one should not go for the long trade. Now, what will be the targets? What will be the target? First of all, when should we go long? This question comes into the mind. First of all, unless and until this particular cloud doesn't give a bullish cloud generation, means crossover should be there. Span A should cross the span B positively, means from below to upward to generate the bullish cloud and to conquer the bullish sentiments. One should not take the wrong trades. So friends, this is the concept of the Ichimoku system which has been explained well in detail, and elaboration is done in all respects. So friends, the bearishness still persists right now and resistance level has been specified as the case from the 15-minute chart, and if this is taken away, the same resistance will be faced by the index at around 44,980. Note down the same, 44,980. Or you can say 45, no, 45,080. 45,080. This is the level of the resistance. Okay, friends. So resistance level has been specified here as per the analysis of 15-minute chart as well as 1 hour chart, and if we see the trade confirmation on the positive side, we will analyze further whether we should enter into the trade or not, that we will see later. But presently the bearish sentiment still persists. So don't get panicked. We should wait until the trade continuity is generated in the 15 minutes time frame. So friends, all the aspects of the trade have been elaborated here for your reference. If you have some query, drop the message in the comment section, or if you want a detailed clarification, then drop the email. I will respond it at the earliest. So friends, I am again requesting you all to subscribe this channel first of all, and share this channel in your group so that maximum people can be benefited. So friends, thank you very much, and have a nice day and enjoy the day.